Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in YouTube marketing we'll discuss about Google visibility. When you have videos on YouTube available, you want the Google visibility. You want your videos to be shown organically in Google so that you can drive more and more traffic towards your YouTube channel, to your videos. People see the videos and you end up making money, and that is the end goal actually. And what we need to do to increase the visibility in Google is something that we'll check it out right now. How to increase the visibility? That is actually the main point that we need to discuss. Extensive keyword research. When you are planning to make a video and when you are planning to put that video on YouTube, extremely important that you identify the niche, you identify what are the videos that you are going to make, you find out what are the videos available out there in the market, do a lot of research and come to a conclusion with what you want to do. Extremely important that you do a lot of keyword research associated with the kind of video that you are making, and make sure that you come up with a list of very good keywords, which is extremely important. The metadata, when you actually make a video, the title, the description, the keywords are going to be extremely important. That is precisely the reason why you need to do a lot of research. Make sure that you have the keyword in the title, in the description, and of course the list of keywords. And the tags are also extremely important. Tags with rich keywords, they are going to play a very big role as far as visibility in Google of your videos is concerned. You have to be very specific about it and make sure that you do a lot of research in that area. Descriptive playlist. The playlist has to be very descriptive. It shouldn't be too short, it shouldn't be too vague. Make sure that you describe it clearly, lucidly and completely. And multi-channel integration. When you have a video made and you have uploaded it on YouTube, make sure that videos are shared on your blog, the landing page, the website, and of course social media across Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, everywhere. Make sure that the more you share the videos, the more the chances of ranking high in the Google. And when you combine all these factors, there is every chance that the video will be available in Google on the top pages. And make sure that you also do a lot of content marketing surrounding around your video. Post that content. If the content has to be high quality, the content has to be over 1500 words, and the content of course has to be unique, absolutely unique. When you play by the rules, there is every likelihood, there is every chance that the videos will rank high. Some of the best practices that you can think of: on-site and off-site optimization. In the on-site, you do a lot of meta tags, the title, the description, the keywords. Make sure that everything is put in place. In the off-site marketing, off-site optimization, you can do social media marketing. You can tag the website on the website and the blog on the landing page. Do a lot of content marketing that actually works. The content marketing is extremely crucial. When you talk of on-page optimization, when you talk of off-page optimization, everything boils out down to content marketing. How effective is your content marketing? For me, search engine optimization is all about content marketing. The more you create high quality content, the more you actually create the content that is at the end of the day beneficial for the end user, the sites will rank high. So content marketing is everything. High quality content, content of nearly 2000 words, post it on multiple channels everywhere, you will get traffic. Paid advertising is another area which you can explore in terms of actually marketing your videos. It works sometimes, but make sure that you have the right kind of budget and you are actually creating the paid advertising campaign so that you can create awareness of your videos. In the video quality, of course, everything boils down. No matter how much search engine optimization you do, no matter how much content optimization or you pay money to drive traffic, If the quality of the video is not good, it is mediocre, it is average, people are not going to stick to it. Make sure that the videos are of high quality. Then analytics again. When you do all these things, you need to analyze the traffic that is coming to your YouTube channel, the traffic that people are looking at it, the kind of people who are coming, where they are coming from, whether they have seen the complete videos or not. These are the analytical factors that you need to take into consideration, analyze, report, track, then take informed decisions, so that you actually go on improving the quality of the videos if there is anything else that you need to improve. So these are some of the best practices that you can think of implementing. And of course, some of the tips that you can implement: use keyword judiciously, extremely important. Embed videos link on the side, do it so that you can drive more and more traffic. Leverage social media across all channels: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, StumbleUpon, Dig, Reddit, and Instagram. Post the videos everywhere. Build audience. When you do this, you are actually going to build the audience. And track, analyze, report, and optimize. Track, report, analyze, and optimize. Make sure that you use analytics and find out what are the things that are working, what are the things that are not working, and improve on your videos. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is how to increase visibility in Google, the best practices, and of course the tips. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.